In this video, we will see how we can download and install the TradingView desktop application in Windows 11 computer. Here, the first thing that we do is we will open up the browser, and then in the URL bar, we will enter tradingview.com and then we will hit the enter button. It will open up the TradingView website. Now here we can find an option called as more. If I take the cursor on that, I can see downloads, and here we can see the option desktop app. So we will click on that and it will take us to this particular page, and here we can find the option to download the TradingView desktop application for Windows, Mac and Linux. Here I'm using the Windows, so I will click on this download for Windows. Now here if you scroll down, then you can find the advantage of using the TradingView desktop application. All the features are listed in here. Now once the download is complete, the computer is asking about whether I want to keep this downloaded file or delete it. I want to keep it. Once I click on that, the application is saved in my computer. Now what I will do is I will click on this open file option, and what it does is it will launch the install TradingView window, and here we will click on install. Now once I do that, it will install the TradingView application and it will launch it automatically. So now here we can see the application has been launched, and now it is asking me to log into my TradingView account. If you don't have an account, then you can create an account. If you need any help, then I have the tutorial. I will provide the link in the description box. But for me, I already have an account. That's why I will click on this sign in with browser. Once I click on that, it will open up the browser, and here I have to sign in to my TradingView account. If you're signed in, then it will automatically take that sign in. But here I'm not signed in, so I will choose the option and I will enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, I clicked on sign in, and then it took me to this particular page, and here it is asking me to provide the access for the desktop application that we have installed. So all I have to do is click on this grant access. Once I click on that, it will say, the site is trying to open up the TradingView desktop application. Do you want to allow this? I will click on this open. Once I do that, the desktop application is opened. It will be reopened, and then here first I can select the theme. I will go for dark, and then I will click on next, and then I will click on next and next, and then got it. And now we can find the TradingView desktop application. Now here we can use this just like the way we use the TradingView on website. So this is it guys for this particular video. This is how we can download and install TradingView desktop application, and this is how we can sign into our account. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.